In this video, I will explain how to use a STAAR My Graph to help make progress monitoring and STAAR reteaching easier. This video is helpful with the My Graph chart for the elementary 4-week review, as well as the middle school review and the high school English reading review. Angela here from Custom Classroom, helping you feel more prepared for STAAR testing. If you do not own any of these resources, you can still download the free blank version of the My Graph to use along with your own classroom review. When you first start the 4-week review, give each student a My Graph sheet. As you grade and return their papers, this could be done daily or weekly, students will fill in their My Chart themselves. For example, if they got question 1 correct, they would color in the square with the number 1 green on their chart. This shows you and them how they are doing in inferencing. Number 2 is also green since it was correct. Then 3 is yellow since it was answered incorrectly. And 4 was green because it was correct. Students will continue graphing their results daily or weekly until the 4 weeks are completed. Now you can quickly assess areas to target for reteaching prior to the STAAR test. If we look at this sample graph, we can see that this student may benefit from reteaching or more practice on word meaning questions, questions about text evidence, and questions on claim. Taking the time to have students fill out the My Graph is a simple, easy way to plan what to reteach right before testing. Again, this works for the elementary, middle school, and high school reviews. See the link in the description for a free blank version to use along with your own personal review. However, this chart does not contain all the ELA TEKS, only the most commonly seen TEKS that have appeared on the past STAAR release tests. If you are looking for a 4-week STAAR review, click the link in the description to learn more. Good luck, and please subscribe or follow me on TPT to learn more tips and tricks to make STAAR test prep less stressful.